Hello, hello.
Hello.
We are ready to start the holidays. We're going to make a round trip around Peloponnese. We are fully packed. Fully packed and fully charged and fully loaded. Let's see here. Yes, ready. And the car is waiting outside, also fully packed. And we're ready to make a road trip. It is going to be more than 1,500 kilometers. We will travel around Peloponnese and we will see many monuments. I don't know what we're going to do, relax and such things. So, first stop is going to be a castle. We are full 100%. Even here it's full. And here last preparations and off we go. We are going now for a while. Our average consumption is very low, so we're going now for 50 minutes. We are cruising at 60 kilometers per hour just to be sure it's going to be enough. And we have done 41 kilometers. We're in the castle. This is the entrance of the castle. There is a wall around the castle. Here these chairs are for tomorrow. There is going to be a concert, so there is also singing here. They take advantage. And this is the main castle. There are walls around the castle to protect it. the top of the castle that you can see this great view. Here you see. Here is the castle. Where the sky is clear, you can see the island. This island is Zakynthos, and this one is Kefalonia, and from the other side is Peloponnese. We're into one of the castle's room. We're at the first floor right now. The castle was like this, and down is the basement. Here it was a place to store the water from outside for the needs of the castle. So this is the palace. It was at the first floor. This is a fireplace. Huge fireplace. We're ready to go soon. It was very nice. We will arrive. We will leave for our first destination for today. We are getting closer. We have to do another 57 kilometers. The gasometer says that we've got range another 81 kilometers, and we have done until now 113. We are moving slowly in order to be sure. And the average consumption is 8 kilowatt hours for 100 kilometers. So probably we will not have any problem to reach the first house. We are getting very close, and the battery is close to the end. It's maybe 15%, something like this. And we have done already 164, and we need another 4 kilometers to our destination, but we have to climb a bit. I hope so. It's going to be okay. It looks risky, but we were going slow in order to be sure. 14 kilometers to go. The gasometer says 800 meters to reach the destination. We are climbing a little bit. 13 to go. I hope so. We will find the house. Wow, nice horse. Finally, we made it home. This is a small home. We had to climb quite a lot. I was scared that we are going to stay without electricity. The battery is going to empty. Anyway, we managed. We plugged the car immediately because it was quite empty. And I'm using the small cable. I'm using the cable that it pulls only 10 amps, and we need 7 hours 45 minutes to become full again. but it's not a problem. So let's see the house now. This is the main door. Wow. Oh, these chairs are very nice to rest.
Wait.
How it is? Nice? Perfect?
Wait.
Okay, let's see the bathroom. This is the bathroom.
English style.
It's English style.
How to clean
Okay.
your hands.
This is the sink. This is only cold and this is only hot. You have to mix it here, the water. And this is the shower. The water comes from the top to the bottom. And now there is a surprise. Where is the kitchen? Look here.
Kitchen, kuchnia.
This is the kitchen. It was like this is the fridge. It's everything hiding. And these are some stuff for cooking. Okay.
And this is the soap.
This is energy meter I'm using just from curiosity, just to know how much money I'm going to spend. This is the price I've set. This is the watt I'm pulling right now, volt, and total 0.2 kilowatt hours. And I've spent until now 3 cents only. And the cable is going out from here to the car. Okay, and this is, I guess, bed for Ivlita.
And here are soaps.
Here are the soaps.
Homemade soaps.
Homemade soaps from olive oil.
Made from the olive oil.
They look
and,
nice. I guess we will.
100 pure ingredients. Olive oil, coconut.
We can take
honey.
some.
No, we have to pay for them.
Ah, okay. So, and here is our room, bedroom. Oh, air conditioning. Agree. Okay, this is our bedroom, our bed. Okay, windows. Okay, this is it. I will hope so. We will survive for 2 days, and I guess it's going to be fine. This is the way to relax, both moving and the chair and for the legs. Very nice. Anya, yours is not moving. Okay, the food is almost ready. It's pasta made by Anya, master chef. This is the area of our Airbnb apartment. It's very calm. We're a little bit on the mountain. It's almost 3 kilometers from the sea. The sea is visible. Here is a small landscape. There are 2 Airbnb apartments, but we're alone right now. It's a little bit windy. I think so it's cool because it's going to cool down the battery. It's charging. Cactus. It's pretty calm right here. No Wi-Fi. Fortunately, there is one room with air conditioning. Check out this castle. It's called Castle of Fairy Tales. It's very close to the place we are living right now. It's 1, 2, 3 floors. It's like a house, but it's decorated. Castle is beautiful, but unfortunately it's closed. It's closed for many years, right in front of the sea. This castle was built from a doctor, and this doctor gave it for free in order to remind us fairy tales. We are in Patra Square. It's full of people. It looks like touristic or local people, I don't know. It's nice. We will stay here, eat and relax. The kids can play. Good morning. We are in second day. We woke up today in order to go to Apollo Temple. It's another great monument. And to Neda Waterfalls. Everything was good until the GPS showed us this perfect way to go there. After a few kilometers we discovered that we were crossing the mountain directly, so we decided to go back and to look for a better way to go. The car was overheat, and the road is
fantastic.
Neda Waterfalls and Temple of Epicurius Apollonas. The places we want to go today. In order to be there, we have to cross the villages. We are getting close. We need to go another 4.5 kilometers. We are still climbing, and the consumption is about 14 kilometers per 100 kilometers. But the battery is already under the half. I wasn't expecting that we are going to use so much energy, but it's because the uphill. We are climbing and climbing and climbing. We would like to visit also another place, Neda Waterfalls, and I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough battery to do this second trip, but I am optimistic because during the downhill we are going to get lots of energy back. Look at this great view. This is the reason why we used the battery. We are in the top of the mountain. temperature here is maybe about 7 degrees less than the beach. Wow, this temple is incredible. It's like a Parthenon, they say. Probably it was built from the same person who built the Parthenon. We are going to face a challenge. We are now at the Neda Waterfalls. We were going down for a few kilometers, I don't know, maybe 10 kilometers. The battery is in the middle, but the way up it's very steep. Look like this. It's very steep. And I'm afraid that the car is going to overheat or is not going to manage. I don't know, I hope so. We will be fine. This is the way to the waterfalls. It's very nice, you can hear the water running around. Rita, here, up. It looks like touristic place. We have to climb again. We are here. Looks great. The people still climbing up. I don't know, probably there is something more. We have to climb more to go to the good one. Look at this view. Look at this. We are getting close. There is so much traffic. This is a big waterfall. Neda Waterfalls. Look how many people came here. People say the water is very cold, very, very cold. I guess it's normal. After this climbing, the water is freezing. Battery is in the middle, temperature is high, and we are ready to climb up to the hill. I hope so we will manage. I think so we have to use the normal mode, not the Eco Plus mode, because we need power to climb up the hill. Yep, has got the power. Looks like we can do it. Easy. Look at this. Wow. We have to have acceleration. If you go slow, then it's worse. Normal mode is strong mode.